I've seen students getting confused with this quadratic expression when they see it inside of the integral. So let's see how do we solve that. My name is Ashish. I am a data scientist, engineer, and your calculus professor, and I welcome you to my channel Math with Ashish. Now, in order to integrate this, since it is addition in between, what we can do is just split that integral in all those three terms. So what you will have is integral of ax square with respect to x plus integral of bx with respect to x. So give that integral to the first term, then to the second term, and then to the third term. So plus integral of c with respect to x. Remember that a, b, and c are constant values, okay, in this case. So what we can do is just take those constant values out of those integrals. So we have a times integral of x square dx plus take that b out, b times integral of x dx plus take that c out, so you have c times integral of 1 dx. Okay, now it's simple algebraic formula of integral. Whenever you see x to the power something, the integral of that is, so whenever you have integral of x to the power m with respect to x, algebraic function, the integral is you increase that power by 1 and divide by the same power. So x to the power m plus 1 divided by m plus 1. So we use this result over here in order to integrate this. So let's see what do we get. So we have a times integral of x square is nothing but x cubed divided by 3 plus we have b integral of x is nothing but x to the power 1. So we have x to the power 2 divided by 2, okay, plus c. And remember that 1 is nothing but x to the power 0. Okay, you can write 1 as x to the power 0. So the integral of x to the power 0 will be using this formula again. 0 plus 1 is 1, divided by 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus let's add a constant of integration, capital C dash, because there is C already here. So not to get confused between this C and this C. So we'll just name that arbitrary constant as C dash. And this is nothing but your final result of this integral. I hope that makes sense. Are you looking for a personalized math guidance? I am here to help you. Book a personal one-on-one tutoring session with me for your upcoming calculus exam, the link of which is in the description and in the first comment. This might be a chance to score full marks in your upcoming math and calculus exam. I'll see you there.